Hey guys, Kyle here again. Welcome to NFT Tyrant. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to understand when to sell your NFTs for insane profits. It's very important that you time your NFT sales. When you sell is really important. If you hold it for too long on a project that's not going to do well, you're losing almost all the value of that NFT. However, if a project has potential and you sell too early, now you're losing out. And that's a lot of money you're losing out on. And you've seen the numbers. You could essentially miss out on thousands of dollars if you sell out early. But it comes down to what you're trying to achieve out of this. If you just want to make money, you can be quick too. And you can be quick and just get in on the whitelist and buy the NFT on the presale. Let's say you got the Knights of Chain, which I showed you earlier, on the presale. The best time to sell that would be between the presale and the actual public sale. Because at that point in time, the floor price is usually at a premium. Almost always the floor price is going to be really high. And that's just before the actual reveal. Most of the NFTs don't do an actual reveal until the public sale is really done. So even after the pre-sale, the buyer will have the NFT. As in, if you buy something and if you have it, you don't know what it is. It's like that mystery factor. It really comes into play. And when you have this many people trying to buy, all at the same time, a lot of them know, and rightfully so, that they're going to miss out on the public sale. Because usually what happens, one guy's going to come in and try to buy multiple ones. And he doesn't care about the gas fees. He'll pay the gas fees. And he'll try to get a ton of them. And regular guys who just wanted to buy one will end up missing out. And some people have really heavy wallets. Because A, they've been in this space for quite some time now. So they've made a good amount of profits already. So they can afford to do that. And anytime they see a good project, these people just usually go in and try to buy a lot. And it's very hard to get in on that public sale. But essentially, it really comes down to A, if you see a project that has some kind of utility that gives something, anything really, to the holders, it's always going to go up. So anything with any type of rewards. Or it can be crypto. Because there are a lot of NFTs that are now tied in with crypto. I forgot an NFT that I saw the other week. It was one of those apes. It was awarding holders. There were 100 of the Genesis ones. And each holder got banana coins. And each banana coin was like $20. And essentially just by holding the NFT of their collection, you're getting that coin. So essentially no one is going to sell those, and the floor price will be at a very high level all the time. So it'll be stupid to sell early. And I would definitely hold on to something like that. So anything that has utility, I would never sell. Early at least. Or even before the reveal. So if you try to sell before the reveal, there's one pro and one con really. The pro is you can sell it at a very high price. So something that you'd buy for 0.20 ETH, you can sell it for 5-6 Ethereum easily if it's a good project. But at the same time, if you sell it before the reveal, you're potentially missing out on a very rare NFT. It could be one of the rarest ones in the collection, since you were able to get that at mint. Now it could be one of the most basic ones, but it could also be one of the most rare ones in their collection. So it comes down really to what you're trying to do. But if you see a project with utility, I would definitely hold on to it. I would not sell it early. And if you see a project that's really good, and the floor price is at a premium, after the initial mint, I would try to mint a couple if possible. If the project lets you do that. Sometimes the project lets you mint multiple NFTs, depending upon the transaction amount. But I would definitely keep one, and just sell the others and make my profit right there. That's another thing I was going to say. So if you really want to buy NFTs that are really good and have a lot of potential, I would buy multiple ones. There are times where I bought 10 NFTs, and all of them sold for a premium. And whenever I do these bulk purchases, I hold one, just to see what happens down the line. What if it goes really well, and I have that one? Well, the rest I could always sell for a profit. You know, in the secondary market, before the public sale. That way I make my money and I can still hold on for one, basically for free. So you basically need to do something along those lines. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. I'll see you in the next one.